Hello, it's time for you to practice your listening skills because in today's video, we are going to listen to a conversation between two people and they will be talking about their daily routine. And stay focused on their speaking because at the end of the video, you are going to answer some questions that are related to this conversation. This practice is to test your focus, your listening ability, and your ability to understand English. So, you ready? Let's go.
Hey, good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm fine, just a little sleepy. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. I woke up early today to go for a short walk.
Oh, that's nice. I usually wake up around 8, but today I got up at 7.
That's early for you. What's the first thing you do after waking up?
I drink a glass of water and then check my phone for messages.
Same here. After that, I usually brush my teeth and take a shower.
Do you have breakfast right after that?
Yes, I make some tea and toast. Sometimes I eat eggs too.
That sounds good. I prefer coffee in the morning. It helps me wake up.
I used to drink coffee, but now I'm trying to reduce caffeine.
That's healthy. What time do you usually leave for work?
Around 9 a.m., I start my classes at 9:30, so I try not to be late.
Do you walk to work or take a bus?
I take the bus. It's only about 15 minutes from my house.
That's convenient. My office is far, so I leave home before 8.
Wow, that's early. Do you prepare your lunch in the morning?
Sometimes, but most days I cook dinner the night before and take the leftovers.
Smart idea. I should start doing that too. It saves a lot of time.
Yes, it really helps. So, what's your favorite part of your morning routine?
Honestly, it's drinking tea and listening to some soft music. It makes me calm before work.
That sounds lovely. I think I'll try that tomorrow morning too.
All right, so the conversation has ended, and now it's time for you to answer the questions. I will ask you 5 questions, and you have to answer me one by one. And your time starts now.